सोलरा खातीर लोक वचपाक म्हणजे फाटी फुडें जाता खुबश्या वेळार, स्पेशली इफ वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर हावज होल्ड्स न्ही, बिकॉज इनिशियल जो कॉस्ट आसा, इन्वेस्टमेंट जे इनिशियल आसा ते सम खूब ह्यूज आसता. सो ताका लागून खंय कितें लोक फाटी फुडें
ना
जाता.
आतां कितें आसा, पयलीं गव्हर्मेंटाची एक स्कीम आशिल्ली वेर इन सबसिडी स्कीम. नाव वी आर इन phase 2. In phase 1 there was a scheme where you invest the money, put a solar plant, and you will get after 6-7 months a subsidy which was 50% of the benchmark cost decided by MNRE.
Okay.
So you actually recover about 30% of the investment in one shot. This to happen, it has to happen. I am also one of the beneficiaries which I had put on my house. Now in phase 2 what they do, out of this 50% benchmark cost subsidy, what is supposed to be given to the prosumer? I'm using the word prosumer, no consumer. A person who installs the solar is called as prosumer because he produces and he consumes also. It's called as prosumer. Now, in the phase 2, what government has decided, it's a very good thing, that the 50% subsidy what is supposed to pay to you, out of this 50%, almost 50% you are given upfront before you put the plant.
Okay.
So your investment, the project cost directly upfront subsidy minus kar, that much amount you have to invest, and after 6 months again the balance you get it. So it's a win-win situation. One. Number two, whatever extra you are generating and exporting to grid, government pays you 3 rupees 17 paisa per unit.
Okay.
And that money comes to your account lifetime.
As far as you're producing the
as long as you are producing
the energy.
In a particular cycle, 5 months, 6 months, that decided by the election department. Okay. But it comes by default to your account. And we have made such a beautiful system. State government has made such a beautiful system. You don't have to move an inch. You know, your check details are taken, Aadhaar card is taken, it's linked to the system. Money directly reflects in your account. You will get a SMS that so much money has come. Same is the subsidy. That way we are really good. I'm telling you, the infrastructure required, administrative infrastructure required is done. Now, what we need to do is we have to promote more and more projects. And for that, people are to be educated because many Goans don't know about this solar plant. That's why I'm trying to explain this. So people go for it. And there is a saying, make hay while the sunshine. My company's punchline is make hay while the sunshine. So before government withdraws the subsidy, please go for it and enjoy the subsidy, because we cannot say
when
very suddenly it may be withdrawn. It has happened in electric vehicles.
Correct.
People have it been withdrawn, but now I'm sure our Honorable Chief Minister is going to have a plan of restarting that.